Medofo, mamema wakwaba and Fawumbra GCN page so. Munya ba address searching me and I'm did way ebro. Now mestras or best subscribe to my channel. Now don't sa emia bell on so we a notification. And some echoes woman will be a winning beauty and as a win be a share GCN page here. Honorable Kennedy a compare Agyapong and Pidima Ascent Central and now Okase and Honorable Nessa walking and say a year. Honorable Ken Ofori Atta, our finance minister. Ombobesia na onfa enyem puntuduma anaso ombi companies e wo man mu na Ghana youth no enye bi enye because Ghana youth no mo complain the past adwuma eni o man mu enti no e Honorable Ken Ofori Atta embobesia enko gisika na onfa meya de a e de emfaso e bebre Ghana for. Now, honorable Nekasem and our Ochese Ghana for so no more casa fix the country, and I fix the country na there. Then honorable Baby says, a young refugee COVID-19 abana. COVID-19 the ban and ya Ghana and Quanda by a real sea fanny na yareno echo hono. I nyasem kitwa eno and honorable ebo a year a car. Countries need be edgy. Now, just a Ghana crowd yet you will look crowd 76 bay. And a Ghana focusing. Young crowd in COVID-19 by economy no I drop it down. Ghana crowd and shed that and come. And Tiabeya a honorable Ken Ofori Atta or Mobisia. Uncle Pebisian or maybe a companies. Na Ghana you to know any being and a casa de Bibo Casa fix the country na dia deno. Enco na honorable or Chester fix the country na Ghana folk and or support it. But yen so you fix your dream. Na say politicians no a your mafia media Ghana beko and impa na say an honorable a day at Tuja.
Best economy in the world now. What do country grow? Daddy. We are journalists. You see, when you know fix the country. And fix the country. And the best economy in the world now, in terms of debt to GDP, is Germany. Germany, 61.39. United States, United Kingdom, is 100.59. It means the whole United Kingdom, afibaku, omusika ombenye nyinano. Eka omudiano.
And the UK or Mabosia power because no need this level.
Okay, eka omudiano. A bruso 100% in grama 0.59 abesos. Uko America and 98.2%. A chest says a would 100 cities and $100. Etuwa America for the car $98.20. Ako musika $1.80. And your friends say Japan 237%. Italy 137%. France 101. Portugal 120. Spain 88. My brother. Ghana 76. Uyi Germany, Ghana. Give me a top 20 country. Singapore of all people. Only 109.37. Singapore, Portugal 119. Cape Verde, only a small country in West Africa, come here 125. Lebanon 157.81. Greece 174.15. Sudan 177.87. We are journal. No. And then you don't learn. That is why I'm assessing and defending MPP. Say, Ken Ofori Atta has done marvelously well managing it. Baby, I'm in the different say. Means what? I come up to send other countries among GDP cost to rejuvenate the economy. Honestly, because this is the time you have an excuse to borrow.
Because or more development and the kind of
what debate development? You catch yourself fix the country, infrastructure, media, especially industries, to create jobs for the youth.
Say a bit yeah.
So if you are borrowing to create jobs, a human workers the taxes, member company no taxes near you, who pay back. I'm saying it's a prudent way of managing economy. But this time, because any normal times near Wontino, and yes, American economy, there's no way they will allow you to go to 98.2.
Yes.
Britain, they will allow Britain economy to exceed 100.59%. Impossible. Germany no more 30. COVID by economy shutuko 30. Say I do 61. So monsono multi radio chi amokasa amanfuti. Amonya research kakra. Mamunya mhuzobi for me to come and sit here and tell you. When as simple as say dumping economics. Early. Now me require research. And the tour, MRI zombie now you are reading. You don't even know how Ghana has performed.
Oh, that the Ghana 76 and they say the Hong Kong. I know they Hong Kong.
Empty time on one more cancer fix the country. If in 2018 and you found problem with the Kufuor and MPP performance and you say fix the country, I don't have a problem. But the situation the whole world, not only Ghana, the whole world is being confronted with. The timing is wrong for anybody to tell me say we should fix the country. Now, one more can say fix the country. O madam, Dumelu. O madam, you see 1 year, Dumelu, Ofakwe. O car no the buyer. And one NDC for 1 trauma and can will be using Gian Kotofufo and my Isikan, a canon elsewhere. I'll bring the list for you to see. Bonia NDC 40 years for them to get nerves to say we should fix it. Now Obisa Omuntia say me Makosopo Rebi your friend Dinah minimum very well. Was it what did me who you said Makosopo to a foolish as nigga. I said so for the first time I agree with her and I'm not going to chew my words back because she made sense. Opinion. Attitude and mindset. Doctor or chudra police ya o yesi baby obekobia and so Akufuado na ka say enye yi no Akufuado ne kai obi nom sachet water 37 military hospital or the approve Mr. Krachi befade na odidi me matter. Me see former ko panasum. Me aso me say, oh, why are you going down to his level? She excuse me. This same person will come and tell you say Ghana ifi. Me panasum wo trotro no mu a go win. So many things are going on. Here, mommy be here adoption. Social welfare. Obi amodi akola na man 1 month. I say, one man receipts, he cannot bet you. Yes, my brother, be a friend tabletop and under what? Mamina or social welfare, I'll hold your name for now. One fat documents on man, one tears cannot uncle abiding, meboding. And to Akufuado, and the catching social welfare, my minister, or be by adoption, Sika was what tria, and my buying us a be our barn or the way of money beer. We will say on front 2 tables. Now first can obase on front to me what text messages or dear man will say Obeji Akolano Efrin some at the amount of beautiful. Fix your attitude. Fix your mindset. You are blaming Akufuado for this book.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Present, madam. Yeah.
The country now, about 1 name. General, you know my
yeah.
They say, of a good woman. Some guys are one slow woman, then a woman and your man, yes, and it's bad, and almost so well. It's a tough mommy, a mom with sick, with the book well free. The mom can't be them. You see, I die mom free. And then they say, you're the only two that you buy there. If it is them, I never go to buy. How many times don't check out yeah, you. Yeah, almost my time, almost bar. Yeah, so plane. Yeah, go mad with